Hey, it's Anilio from Bambi Baby, and today we're going to talk about a major issue, which is parent negligence when seatbelting a child in a car seat. 95% of all car seat malfunctions are human error, unfortunately a lot of times done by parent negligence. I want to zoom in on the step-by-step on how to harness your child in the car seat properly and mistakes parents often make. So here we have a 5-point harness. Most convertible car seats and infant car seats have 5-point harnesses. Often, parents just release the harness to let the baby out. The biggest mistake is when we go to connect them back in, we use this clip for the child. That shouldn't be. The way to properly loosen this car seat is press the button down below. Give yourself a lot of room to work with the straps. Once you bring the child in, you connect one side first, then you connect the other side on the bottom, leaving the chest clip last. You pull nice and tight to get it snug, and then you align the chest clip to lock it in place. This is only a guide to keep the shoulder belts in line. When you walk over to an infant car seat, this is where most of the problem really happens. You have to loosen. We're on a PIPA here. There's a clip on the bottom. You slide your finger in. You have to loosen this harness to give yourself room to work. And then the same thing. Bring the baby in. Again, the mistake usually is get this clip connected quickly to keep the child in place. This is only a guide. This has no safety feature except keeping the shoulder belts lined up. So again, release the clip, which is quite tight. Connect the bottom, connect the other side. Once it's in place, hold the belt, pull it nice and snug, then line up the chest clip. The chest clip is always last. This is Anilio from Bambi Baby. I hope that was really helpful. Don't forget to follow us on all of our social media channels. Go to our YouTube channel, like, subscribe, click the little bell. It really helps. Thank you for watching.